Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. What you need to know about intimate depilation, according to the gynecologist. Intimate fashion changes significantly. If before women mostly did not shave, now many completely shave everything. According to the survey, 84% of women adjust their intimate haircut, and most do it themselves at home. The easiest way in this case is shaving. What does a gynecologist think about this? This, of course, is personal preference, comments Michelle Metz for Women's Health. But there are two things that make depilation a dangerous razor. If you remove hair too often, you can develop folliculitis, an infection of the hair follicle. These are the same white pimples that are often caused by poor quality shaving, because of the blunt blade or the non-use of the cream. Folliculitis is treated with a local or oral antibiotic. Another disadvantage of shaving is ingrown hair. When new hairs grow, curling into the skin, and not from the outside, there are bumps and irritation. To avoid this, you can use hydrocortisone after shaving cream, a sharp blade and shaving cream. But still need to remember that hair in intimate places with us for a reason. Pubic hair helps to avoid irritation from friction, says the gynecologist. So they perform a protective function, and they do not need to be removed, but everyone decides for himself. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.